Hello everyone, let's dive into which rice is the healthiest. Wild rice or black rice? Which one should you add to your meals? Let's break down the pros, cons, and health benefits of these two superfoods. Stay tuned to find out which one comes out on top. Both wild rice and black rice are incredibly nutritious and a big step up from regular white or brown rice, but they're quite different. Wild rice isn't technically rice, it's the seed of a grass, while black rice is a true rice known for its deep color and rich antioxidants. Let's compare. Let's start with wild rice. At just 21 grams of carbs per cup, wild rice is one of the lowest carb rice options, perfect for people watching their blood sugar or carb intake. It's packed with 6 to 7 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber, making it filling and great for your gut health. Wild rice is a powerhouse of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, fantastic for bone and brain health. It has a nutty, earthy taste and a slightly chewy texture, great for hearty salads or soups. How about black rice? Black rice's dark color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that support heart and brain health and fight inflammation. It's slightly higher in carbs at 34 grams per cup, but it has more protein and fiber than white rice, keeping you fuller longer. With its nutty, slightly sweet flavor, black rice works beautifully in stir-fries, grain bowls, and even desserts. So, which is better? If you're looking for lower carbs and a protein boost, go for wild rice. But if you want an antioxidant-packed option with a unique flavor, black rice is your winner. Honestly, both are fantastic choices. It just depends on your health goals. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more healthy food comparisons. Stay well.